Hello, Jamie Novak here, your bite-sized living specialist, and I want to welcome you in to the fourth video in an 8-part series uncovering and exploring the fear beneath the clutter. That really is one of the basic reasons why we find it difficult to pare down and go through the piles, because of one of these 8 fears. And so what I'm hoping to do today is to sort of shine a light on those fears so we're not so fearful of them anymore. It's kind of like the, fear of a monster under your bed. Well, once you look under there with a bright flashlight, you realize there's nothing to be afraid of. And so as we sort of explore these topics, I hope that you're finding the same thing as well, that once was a scary pile of papers is no longer. So today, for the 4th reason, would be with those special mementos and treasures, and you feel like, well, it's so special, I just can't let it go. And so a lot of times that stems from a fear of separation, a fear of, if I let this item go, I'm going to really be creating a distance between myself and the memory or the person that gave that item to me. Well, that being said, I can assure you that the memory, the feeling, all of that that you have when you see that item comes from simply seeing the item and not actually having to hold the item in your hand. If you were to think about maybe when you were young and you used to go to Grandma's house, and she had maybe this beautiful crystal candy dish, and one of those ones that kind of, you take the lid off and it would clink a little and it just gave that nice little tinkle to the air, and you thought, oh my gosh, when you heard that noise, you knew that maybe we were going to get a nice butterscotch sucker. And it was such a special time. And you remember Grandma and Grandma's house and the smells of something baking in the oven, and the time that you would spend with her, and all those wonderful memories come flooding back from simply seeing a candy dish. You didn't actually have to hold that candy dish. So when you start to feel like that fear is creeping in of, if I let these items go, I'm not going to remember the vacation. I'm going to feel more distant from, Aunt Mimi, who passed down her costume jewelry to me, and if I let the jewelry go. And that really is a fear of that, losing that connection. But here's the thing. If the picture of that item is what brings those memories flooding back, then we need the picture, which means you can grab your digital camera, snap some photos of these items. If you don't have them in your home, ask someone who has the item to snap the photos for you. You'll get them all on the little camera card. Pop the camera card into a digital photo frame. Put the digital photo frame somewhere in your home where you'll see it all the time. And every time you look, a new photo is going to be flashing on that screen, which means if you've got 100 photos, you've got 100 memories captured in there, preserved in a way that they're going to be safe. Those items aren't going to be in a basement risking flood. They're not going to be in a garage risking extreme temperatures and things. They're not going to be crushed in storage. How wonderful that you know for a fact that those items are preserved forever. And you'll see the picture, you'll have that memory, that warm feeling, that connection, and we can let the items go so we can stop fearing that we're going to lose the connection and really have a separation from those items. I hope you love this idea. It's one of my most favorite ideas because it actually works and it's so easy to do. If you have some items in your home that are treasured mementos to other family members, snapping photos of those, even old plastic toys and Cabbage Patch dolls and things, and then giving that to someone as a gift in a digital photo frame is one of the most special things you could ever do. And it's great because it's a clutter-free gift idea for the holidays or birthdays. Well, this has been Jamie Novak, your bite-sized living specialist. I hope you'll join me for the rest of the 8-part series as we explore the fear underneath the clutter.